Okay, you guys, super excited for this one. This one is all about going to Akumal and snorkeling with the turtles. I went from Playa Del Carmen. It was about a half an hour, 35 minutes. I just took a collectivo, so I'll get into it in the video. So it's about a half an hour from Playa del Carmen. You can just take the collectivo. Also, if you're going from Tulum, you can just take the collectivo. Here's the turtle I saw. Okay, so you just pop on. It's just behind the McDonald's parking lot if you're in Playa del Carmen. There's a lineup of the collectivos. They look like this. You go on. It is only 40 pesos. You get dropped off on the highway, and you'll just cross over on this bridge. Along the way, you'll see all this amazing street art. Such talented people. It's amazing. And this is just like right on the side of the highway. You'll get in, and we found a guide. It costs 520 pesos for each person. You can go from the beach, but you can only go 150 feet without a guide. So you need to get the guide to go out pretty much where the turtles are, where all the seagrass is.
Turtle sign?
Here's our instructor.
Yes, awesome.
Can I get this?
What is it?
Oh, let's get the shadows out.
Oh, shadows.
Oh, wow. Whoa.
Oh no!
I got it.
The tour is about an hour long. You get a life jacket, which is mandatory because they don't want people diving down to get closer to the turtles. And include your snorkel gear. And the snorkel you get, they have a mouthpiece that is in like a baggie, so it's like fresh for use, which is nice. And then you get access to showers, and the lockers were 100 pesos for deposit. And then when you brought back your key, you just got your 100 pesos back. And yeah, I think it's pretty negotiable with the tours. We ended up getting, I was getting quoted 600 pesos, and we got it for 520. And he stays with you the whole time. And there was only 4 of us. Look at this turtle, so amazing. Check your GoPro before you go. Mine died like after these 2 videos. It needed some updates, so make sure you update your GoPro before you go. But amazing experience, and then we just went to the restaurant, had some drinks and some food.
We're gonna video.
Yeah!
Hey.
Janine.
Say hi.
Manny.
Now you're in
Janine.
Janine.
Oh, Manny. Wave, we're on camera now.
Told you you're gonna be famous. Yeah, I get my 4-year residency in June.
Turtle time.
So just to recap, it was 520 pesos for the guide, which included everything. You can stay on the beach as long as you want. We ended up going to the restaurant and having some food and drinks, and then just chilled on the beach. You did have to wear a life jacket. There were showers and lockers. The collectivo was 40 pesos from Playa del Carmen, probably pretty similar if you're going from Tulum. And then you just walk back out to the highway. You don't cross the highway, and then when a collectivo comes by, you just flag it down and come back, another 40 pesos, and you are back to Playa del Carmen. Guys, if you have any questions, let me know, and make sure you're subscribing.